Brand new year and a brand new allegation of racial abuse of players coming from the stands. This time, it's the Indian cricketers in the just concluded third test against Australia in Australia. One Indian newspaper reported that fast bowlers Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj were called monkeys, wankers, and beep beep expletives. Wanker is an Australian term that means masturbator, which I don't think is race specific and cannot be racist. The beep beep expletive term is not race specific either, so would not be racist either. So it comes back down to the same old monkey business. But again though, big international cricketers involved in an intense test match battle, and some man dress up in some pink shirt and some pink pants, say monkey, and you feel abused? No, sir. And I never knew that Indians had issues with this monkey business either. I thought this was an exclusively black insecurity. Anyway, the Australian Cricket Board and the police sprung into action and removed the suspected abusers, and the cricket continued. But me don't know, this thing is rapidly getting to the level of muzzling the spectator with the grey areas of what is abuse and what is not abuse. But let me ask you this. Yes. What if the people in the stands shouted donkey and dog and elephant and Australia, yes, kangaroo, yes. Would that be abuse?